Good evening. I'm Jasper. I ordered 2021 Apple iPad 9th generation 10-inch Wi-Fi and cellular 64 GB space with ordered number 111-0707374-5608205 with Lone Star Mobile. I ordered this one at Lone Star Mobile by Amazon. The item arrived in the ship last February 14. I have my first video. I sent it already to Amazon and then they replied they cannot check the video. This is the problem. When the iPad arrived or the box arrived in the ship, I checked all in good condition. Wrap with a big box, and there is a small box wrap again and with a bubble wrap. So when I check this item, when I on this item, I on the iPad, I notice that there is a line on the screen. See? There is a white line on the screen. I ordered this one excellent in Lone Star. Then when I arrived, this is what I noticed. There is a problem with my iPad. Not only the iPad, also the USB plug. It's not working. This one is not working. And if I will try to switch or try to put and to plug, it smells smoke or there is someone inside. Very bad smell. So please do something for this one. First this one, and there is a line on my iPad. I bought in Lone Star Mobile by Amazon. Thank you.
La grieta.
Just keeps resetting. At this point, it won't even turn on.
Good. I like it. Nice.